Imagine driving an SUV that looks and feels like a six-figure luxury vehicle, but costs less than half the price. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the all-new 2026 BMW X1, a compact SUV that's shaking up the premium segment and proving that luxury doesn't have to come with a massive price tag. Welcome segment. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love cars with cutting-edge technology and premium features, you're in the right place. Make sure to stick till the end, because this SUV has some surprises you wouldn't expect at this price point. The 2026 model year marks a major evolution for the X1. BMW has taken what was already a strong performer and upgraded it with sharper styling, better performance, and next-level tech. The moment you see it, it gives off a clean yet bold personality, compact on the outside, but surprisingly upscale once you step inside. The front features an aggressive grille and refined LED headlights that give the SUV a confident stance. BMW's new design language focuses on minimalist luxury, and the 2026 X1 represents that perfectly. The body lines are smooth, the proportions are well balanced, and it has a more mature look compared to its previous version. BMW offers multiple engine options depending on the region, but the most common versions are the S-Drive T8i and X-Drive T8i. Both come with the 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine that produces 241 horsepower and 295 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The X-Drive version takes things further with all-wheel drive, offering better control and traction, which is especially useful for challenging weather conditions. But what truly steals the spotlight is the plug-in hybrid variant, known as the 300 model. This one packs a combined 322 horsepower and offers an electric-only range of up to 50 miles, ideal for city driving while still maintaining performance. That means on short commutes, you may barely use any gasoline at all. Now let's step inside, because this is where the X1 really starts to feel like a luxury SUV. The dashboard features a curved dual-screen setup, a 10.5-inch digital instrument cluster, and a 10.7-inch infotainment display, both powered by BMW's latest iDrive 9 system. You get wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even 5G connectivity, making this one of the most tech-ready vehicles in its segment. Optional upgrades include a panoramic glass roof that floods the cabin with natural light, a premium Harman Kardon sound system for crystal-clear audio, ambient lighting that lets you customize the interior mood. When it comes to materials, BMW gives you premium leather choices, environmentally friendly trims, and upgraded sound insulation for quieter rides. Space is surprisingly generous too, thanks to the extended wheelbase, so even though it's a compact SUV, it doesn't feel cramped at all. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend traveler, the X1 delivers a comfortable and refined experience. The rear seats offer good legroom, and the cargo area is quite practical for its size, making it a viable choice for families or solo travelers who need extra space. BMW has also focused on noise reduction and cabin comfort, which adds to that luxury feel. And thanks to smart packaging and clever layout design, this SUV feels bigger than its exterior suggests. Safety has also been a big priority. The 2026 model comes equipped with a list of driver assist features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, a full 360 surround camera system. These features make driving easier, safer, and more confident, especially on long road trips or in busy traffic conditions. Now, let's talk about price, because this is where things get really interesting. Model. Estimated starting price. Base S-Drive T8i. Around $41,000. Plug-in hybrid 300 model. Up to $51,000. Top M Sport package. Nearly $56,000. Even at the highest trim level, the X1 manages to feel much more expensive than it actually is, and that's what makes it so appealing. The 2026 X1 is more than just a compact luxury SUV, it's a statement. It blends practicality with technology and delivers a driving experience that punches above its weight class. Whether you're a performance enthusiast, a tech lover, or someone who simply appreciates high-quality design, this SUV definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2026 BMW X1, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Would you choose this over other premium compact SUVs? Let me know, I'd love to hear your opinion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Drive safe, and stay passionate about cars.